I'm Dapo Momodu. I'm a UI UX designer. I gained my experience from web development. So I started back as a PSD to HTML guy. That was my first experience in the um, creative industry. So I would convert code designs, website designs into code using HTML and CSS. I build responsive websites. These days, I use Figma to do my designs, and from Figma, I convert them to code using Bootstrap 5. So I'm very well versed in Bootstrap, and recently I started learning um, React. So I've been working on some projects in the back, React Bootstrap, because I realized that some of the times it's really good for a UI UX developer to have some coding experience and be able to convert your code into designs. No, designs into code. Sorry about that. Okay. Um, where I work, I lead a team of six people. I'm a team lead in my design department, though I am very well versed and I have most of my strength in UI UX, but I still do graphics designs because I've managed some companies while I was working right here. I did the social media. I also did social media services for some other companies too. So I do flyers, banners, I build websites, I use Photoshop, Illustrator, I make logos. So I do brand guidelines. Okay, so sometimes I use Canva to do some of my designs for social media and stuff like that. But back to UI UX, which is what I'm really all about right now. The reason I moved into UI UX was simply because I realized that there were so many applications that didn't go well. So during the COVID, I was able to get a hang of a UI UX course, and then I ventured into it, and this is where I am today. What actually led me to that UI UX course was because I was working on an affiliate marketing project at the time. Okay, so after I had taught some students on front end and back end web development using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap with JavaScript. Um, so I was also teaching them how to connect to databases using PHP MySQL and PHP MyAdmin to administer what they wanted to do. So, but I realized that while I was on the project, I ran into some hiccups or roadblocks. Okay, so bad design. Okay, so for that reason, I needed to solve those problems. And then by trying to solve those problems, I realized that I stumbled upon UI UX design. So fast forward to COVID, I was able to use the COVID period, sit at home period to learn how to do UI UX design. Okay, so now I'm working. Although I would say that my experience for UI UX design spans way a lot back because when I started my PhD to HTML job, I was taught how to do these things, but then we didn't call it UI UX. We just called it graphical representation of what you were going to give to the client or what you wanted to do on the site. So, but UI UX has helped me to learn a lot wireframing, prototyping, or having mock-ups that we normally do before, right? So now I'm happy to want to proceed on my UI UX design journey. This is why I'm making this video. For anyone out there seeing this video, this is just a brief introduction of who I am. I'm Dapo Momodu. I'm a UI UX designer with background in coding. I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I love to play basketball. I love to play basketball. If you go to my Facebook page, you'll find me playing some pickup games where at the Redeemed Christian Church of God here, where we play basketball here in Mowe, so in Ogun State. So that's me for you. I do that on the weekends because the weekdays I work from home fully, so I don't have to go out. I have to just focus on my work. But the weekends I tend to use it to exercise myself, meet up with friends and colleagues, and just make sure that life goes well. So that's basically everything for me. If there's any other thing, I like to tweet. I like to just go to Twitter, read some comments, see what's trending. I like to be on LinkedIn. I like to share UI UX design tips. I like to read blogs and other things that are related to my career. So that's everything from me. Thank you. Stay blessed and have a wonderful time. Bye.